Progressive muscle relaxation (PMR) is a technique used to reduce stress and anxiety by progressively tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups in the body.
Here's a step-by-step guide to practice PMR. Preparation.
1. Find a quiet space. Choose a comfortable, quiet place where you won't be disturbed.
2. Wear comfortable clothing. Ensure your clothes are loose and comfortable. 3. Sit or lie down. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. The process. 1. Start with deep breathing. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Focus on your breathing and allow your body to begin relaxing. 2. Focus on each muscle group. Forehead, raise your eyebrows as high as you can, hold for 5 seconds, then relax and feel the tension release. Eyes and cheeks, squeeze your eyes shut and smile widely, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Mouth and jaw, open your mouth wide as if yawning, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Neck and shoulders, pull your shoulders up towards your ears, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Upper arms, clench your fists and bend your elbows, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Lower arms, extend your arms out and pull your hands back towards your body, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Hands and fingers, squeeze your fists tightly, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Chest, take a deep breath in, hold for 5 seconds, then exhale and relax. Stomach, tighten your stomach muscles, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Upper legs, tighten your thigh muscles, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Lower legs, point your toes upwards, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Feet and toes, curl your toes tightly, hold for 5 seconds, then relax. 3. Deep breathing again. After you've tensed and relaxed all muscle groups, take a few more deep breaths, focusing on how your body feels. Tips. Be gentle, never tense your muscles to the point of pain. Consistency, practice PMR regularly, preferably daily, for the best results. Guided sessions, consider using audio recordings or guided PMR scripts if you're new to the technique. Benefits. Reduced stress and anxiety, helps in managing and reducing symptoms of stress and anxiety. Improved sleep, promotes relaxation and can help improve sleep quality. Enhanced body awareness, increases awareness of physical tension and helps in managing it. Would you like more details on any specific aspect of PMR or additional relaxation techniques? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the NI655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.